back to my channel. My name is Samide. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today's video is a hair review. It's a wig. I got it from Hair ViVi. I will link everything for you guys down below in the description box if you want to check it out. I'm gonna show you how you can install it using a spray, the got to be glue spray, and different ways that you can style the hair. Yeah, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to know every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to comment, share and like. If you have any video ideas, let me know down below in the comment section. So yeah, let's get started. So the hair came in a box like this. It's Hair ViVi. So the hair came in a box and came in a bag. They gave you wig cap and came with 2 hair clips and 1 comb and this paper. Your order. So this was my order. Information for the wig, company's name. It's a pre-pluck wig, 360 lace frontal. It's a virgin human hair. The density is 150. The length is 16 inches. The knots are already bleached. It came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and they have a fixed scalp. How do they call it? Pre-made fixed scalp. So this is the hair. It's 16 inches. No shading. And I washed it. You can find them on Instagram, or you can type hairvivi.com and you will find them, just in case you want to purchase their hair. But it's very nice. It's not sponsored, but I like them, and the customer service is very good. So yeah, and it came with 4 combs, 1 on the top front, 2 on the side, and 1 each side and 1 on the back, and elastic band. It's removable. You can remove it if you don't want to use it, both, but I like to use it because I don't usually glue the back, so I need that elastic band. So I'm gonna use the got to be glue spray to glue the hair down. So let's start. Sometimes I'll wear it without even use the glue. I just put it like this and fix it, and you're good to go, because I'm showing you guys how to install it. So I'm gonna add the glue, but you don't even need the spray. Okay. But I'm gonna show you guys how I do it with the glue. So I don't put the glue on my edges, I put it like right on my forehead, like right here. So I'm gonna wipe off the makeup on my forehead where I'm gonna put the glue. So now I'm gonna spray the cut to be glue. I'm gonna let the glue dry. Not too dry, just to be a little bit sticky. So now I'm gonna spray the second layer. So now I'm gonna start with the front first. You can see it was easy. Now you have your hair on, glue. If you guys can see. So this is the hair glued down. So now I'm gonna show you how I style it. In the last style, you can wear a headband, you can wear whatever you want. And like this can see. So this is the 16 inches, as you can see. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell to know every time I upload a new video. So yeah guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.